Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be making a wig on the sewing machine. I am just showing you how I prepare my wig cap with the markings, and I'm going to try to use different angles in today's video so you get a different feel of what it's like to make a wig on the sewing machine, especially if you're a beginner. It can be quite challenging at times because the machine plays up. So you're going to see all of that in today's video, and I'm showing you that the markings, sometimes I end them a bit early on the wig head rather than bringing everything to the edge. I start off by doubling my weft. You simply put your two fingers outside of each opposite side of the weft, pinch it together and then push it through the sewing machine and start sewing, and that's how you double your weft. One day I'll do a more in-depth video on that. I always start off at the very beginning of the dome cap, showing my viewers how to sew it on from the beginning. So this time around I thought I'd start off in the middle of the dome cap and do the first 4 tracks of camera. And this is the gist of this tutorial, guys. It's all about the realistic side of wig making on the machine that most other YouTubers are not showing. There can be some ups and downs, but perseverance is key. This hair is from my hair company and it is called Beautiful Dreamer Hair and Skincare. I will be getting more into behind the scenes, reels, shorts, tutorials and more Q&A videos just to explain more about the product. You'll be seeing me do some get ready with me to wear the hair and show you how it is. So far I've worn the hair out probably twice because I don't wear this particular wig every day, and I have had some compliments. So stay tuned for more promotion and reviews and all of that good stuff. So this is the section of the wig making where it starts to get a bit more challenging for me. Perhaps I do need a lot more practice, but what I find is that because all this hair is bunched up on the wig cap, sometimes it's difficult to push it through the sewing machine, and then when it comes to the closure, sewing the closure down with the sewing machine, sometimes you can make a mistake there as well. It's not as straightforward sometimes. I've done it in the past where it has been straightforward, and I've done it in the past as well where I'm struggling, and this is one of those days where I was struggling. I had to keep stopping and starting. So this is just a different side of showing you the process of wig making. If you haven't been doing this for 5 years plus, then you're gonna encounter these type of problems. I just wanted to be a bit more realistic with this video because a lot of people put it out there and make it look like super easy, and it is easy, but there are challenges sometimes that you have to face with any type of machine. I finally come to the end of the wig making session, and everything came together in the end. I made it work. As you do, you have to have perseverance, and this is what the inside looks like. I haven't added the finishing touches just yet, but let me know what you guys think down below. And that's what it looks like. It's still stretchy, so it's not going to be too tight on the person's head. And voila, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.